Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this little thing of me unboxing this. Sorry, I was doing another video and it didn't turn out too well. Let's just get right into it. So we'll get right into it right now. And so first up, we have this, which is the microphone itself, and it's actually got a tap to mute on the top, and the volume down here. It's really cool. It's a really good one. It's the Fifine A6T. It is a gaming microphone, of course, as you can see. You can kind of see. I honestly don't know what this is. If you guys tell me this in the comments, what this is, this little thing. And then there's a pop filter. It's a really good looking one. Don't want to damage that at all. And then you have the USB for it. Let's see. Oh, it's got a cool little wrap. I like it. And then, so it's got a little cap on it. And then, it's got a little plug-in. Looks like a really good microphone. I like it. I like it a lot. Here it is. It's like USB-C, I think. Then this has a little cap on it. USB Type-C. Lift this up. Take it off. And then here's the stand. The main thing I love about it. Because I can finally do it however I would like. It's what I've always wanted. Okay, mostly that's kind of it, but I have some more I'm gonna go over. There's the stand. And I think there's not more under there. So let me just show you guys everything. So I can put it together. Let me put it together. Sorry guys, I'm recording on like the normal app for like iPhone. iPad. And it's like the thing, so I can't cut it, sadly. So sorry guys. Sorry about that. Here we go. There it is. Put it on there. Little pop filter. Little smiley face on it, if you can kind of see. Focus. And then this thing, which I don't know. And then this thing, it's got this where it screws on. Of course, you gotta have that. Let's put that together. Wait, how do you do this? There we go. Just gotta screw it on. So we'll be testing if this is compatible with Xbox. I don't know about PS4 because I do not have a PS4, so sorry for you PS4 people out there. There we go. Tighten that back up. Now let the screw in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's go in left. Let's go in right. Sorry guys, I cannot cut this video. Like I said earlier, it's gonna be a long one. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Sorry guys, that took so long. There it is. I think this is a stand, maybe. think that's what this is. Yeah, I honestly don't know how that works. If you guys could, again, if you guys could tell me what this is in the comments, please tell me, because I don't know. I don't know what it does. Okay, hold up, I think you put it in here. And I just going to act as a little stand for it. Like this. Do that. And boom! There you go. Fully put together. So you can see. Pretty cool. Now, I will take you now to my room and you'll be able to see if it is compatible with Xbox. There we go. Again, sorry, I cannot cut the video. So, here it is. I'm not gonna lie, this is a really cool microphone. Like 54, I think. No, I bought it for $57 on Amazon. I will set it up. I will set up the little thing. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, let's see. Set it up. Plug it up to the microphone. Whoa. Ooh. That's sick. So I'm going to show it to you. Okay. Let me unmute it. Hold up. I think I might have to. Oh, I have to turn on the Xbox. Hold up. There it is. First microphone on the market. And it's for a low price. And look at the colors. Watermelon. Then you got yellow and green. Got green and ooh, yellow and purple. That looks cool. Well, anyway, it's a really cool thing. It's a really awesome one. Yeah, so that's practically it. Bye, everybody. I'll see you later. Peace.